Breaking news: a digital muse for the modern age. A new AI promises to revolutionize creativity. In a world constantly reshaped by technology, a new frontier has opened up. Not for automating tasks, but for art, design, and storytelling. Claude Sonnet, a groundbreaking AI, is making waves across creative industries. Artists, writers, musicians, and designers are all watching closely. This tool isn't just a program, it's a collaborative partner, aiming to amplify human creativity. Imagine a tool that understands your artistic vision, suggests new pathways, and helps you overcome creative blocks. Claude Sonnet is designed to democratize creative tools, making sophisticated assistants available to everyone. The announcement has sent ripples through studios and agencies worldwide. The core idea: Claude Sonnet understands context and intent in ways previous AIs have not. It's a conversational partner, engaging in real dialogue about your project. This is about a back-and-forth exchange, a true collaboration between human and machine. It marks a shift from AI as an analytical tool to AI as a creative one. As we stand here in 2025, we may be witnessing the start of a new renaissance, powered by algorithms, guided by the human heart. The story of Claude Sonnet is just beginning, and it's a story about the future of imagination itself. So, what exactly is Claude Sonnet? It's a large language model, fine-tuned for creative applications. Think of it as a highly advanced chatbot that studied art, music, literature, and design. Developed by Anthropic, its mission is to be helpful, honest, and harmless. Unlike general-purpose AI, Claude Sonnet is built for creators, understanding the subtleties of creative language. You can ask it for ideas in the style of Wes Anderson or music that feels melancholic and hopeful. It gets nuance and intent. The name Sonnet hints at its purpose, helping creators work within structure while exploring new ideas. It's a tool for building, not just dreaming. Anthropic envisions filmmakers, designers, and writers using it to storyboard, generate mood boards, and explore plot points. It's not about generating soulless art, but about augmenting your ability to explore and refine your own ideas. To understand Claude Sonnet, look at Anthropic, the company behind it. Founded by former OpenAI leaders, Anthropic is known for a safety-first approach. Their key innovation: constitutional AI, where the model follows a set of ethical principles. This constitution draws from universal human rights and ethical guidelines, making the AI less likely to generate harmful or biased content. For creators, this means a more reliable, responsible collaborator. Claude Sonnet is designed to handle sensitive topics with maturity and care, creating a safer space for creative exploration. In a fast-moving field, knowing your AI partner is built with ethics in mind is reassuring. This foundation of safety and sophistication is what unlocks Claude Sonnet's creative potential. Claude Sonnet is packed with features for creative professionals. Its advanced contextual understanding means it remembers details, tone, and rules across long documents or conversations. It's multimodal, able to process images, audio, and sketches, not just text. Designers can upload sketches for logo variations, musicians can share melodies for harmony suggestions. This versatility breaks down barriers between creative disciplines. Integration is key. Claude Sonnet works with your favorite tools via APIs and plugins, fitting seamlessly into existing workflows. Imagine getting dialogue suggestions in your screenwriting software or placeholder text in your design program. It also excels at emulating style and tone. Just provide a sample, and it can generate content in your unique voice. Marketing teams can ensure brand consistency. Filmmakers can mimic a director's style. This creative chameleon adapts to your needs, helping you achieve your vision. It's about consistency, versatility, and creative exploration, all in one tool. The magic of Claude Sonnet is in its conversational, iterative process. You start with a prompt, anything from "I need ideas for a fantasy novel" to detailed character notes. The more context you give, the better the AI's response. Claude Sonnet's output is a starting point, not a finished product. You refine its suggestions, giving feedback and direction, shaping the results through back-and-forth dialogue. This rapid iteration lets you explore dozens of ideas in minutes, overcoming creative blocks. Ultimately, you remain the director, making the critical decisions and weaving the AI's suggestions into your work. The final masterpiece is yours. The AI simply accelerates the journey. It's a powerful new way to move from idea to finished art. Your first steps: a beginner's guide to using Claude Sonnet. Getting started is simple, even for non-techies. Visit the Anthropic website or platform, create an account, and log in. The interface is clean and intuitive, a chat window where you type prompts. No complicated menus, just a text box for your ideas. Start with playful prompts. Write a poem about a robot discovering music, or give me 3 ice cream flavors inspired by rainy days. See how the AI responds and get a feel for its creativity? As you get comfortable, feed it real project details. Ask for feedback on a story paragraph or mood board ideas for a design. Start small, learn how to phrase prompts, and build up to bigger collaborations. Each interaction helps you master the tool and unlock new creative possibilities. The journey begins with a single sentence. With each prompt, you'll become more adept at using Claude Sonnet to bring your visions to life. Experiment, iterate, and watch your creativity expand. Tips from the pros maximizing your creative output. Move beyond simple questions. Assign the AI a persona for expert-level feedback. For example, you are a world-renowned film critic. Review my story idea. Provide clear constraints and detailed context for richer, more useful suggestions. Instead of give me a story idea, try give me a thriller about a time-traveling librarian saving a lost book from Alexandria. Use examples. Paste your writing style and ask the AI to continue in that voice. The AI excels at pattern recognition, so show it what you want. Iterate and chain prompts. Build on each answer to develop characters, worlds, or plots, step by step. Each prompt is a building block, turning a quanda into a dynamic creative partnership. This approach lets you construct complex ideas piece by piece. The more you experiment, the more powerful your collaboration becomes. Use the AI as a springboard, not a crutch. The result, a workflow that's faster, more playful, and more productive. Navigating the limitations, an honest look at Claude Sonnet. Claude Sonnet is not a replacement for human judgment or taste. It generates ideas, but lacks true artistic sensibility or consciousness. You are the curator, deciding which suggestions have merit. The AI can sometimes generate plausible but incorrect information. Always fact-check objective details. Its knowledge is limited to its training data and may not reflect the latest trends or events. Biases in the data can affect its output, so push it to explore diverse perspectives. Originality remains a human domain. The AI combines patterns but doesn't have lived experience or unique perspective. Use Claude Sonnet as a creative springboard, not an infallible source. The spark of true originality still comes from you. Understanding these limits helps you use the tool wisely and effectively. The future is collaborative your story, amplified by AI. Claude Sonnet isn't just software, it's a shift in how we create. It's a partner, not a replacement for human ingenuity. It helps break creative blocks, accelerates brainstorming, and refines ideas. It democratizes creative assistance, empowering independent creators and streamlining workflows. Most importantly, it opens new avenues for exploration and play. The future of creativity is humans and machines working together. The potential is realized only in your hands. Experiment, push boundaries, and share your creations. How would you use this digital muse? What projects would you create? The conversation about the future of creativity is happening now. Join in.